Mexico!
What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel. Things are about to get a little loud here in about 10 to 20 seconds, so we're going to try to do this quick. We're back at the track, made some minor changes to it, but we caught wind of a rental. The air is a little bit better right now than it was 69 degrees, 69, right there, 69, yeah. So anyways, the air is a little bit better than it was the last time we were out, so hoping we can take the data that we got from our last video while we were at the track and apply it here. Maybe turn up the power a little bit and see what we run.
Are you excited?
Does this look like the face of excitement?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, we're gonna see what it does. We're gonna see what it does.
I think that's testicular cancer, bro.
Lance Armstrong didn't need them, I don't either.
Oh, God.
You know, years from now, you'll see an infomercial and be like, have you experienced tingling in your testicles? Please give us a call. You know, at like 2 in the morning when you're watching TV. You may be entitled to financial compensation. You know, stuff like that. So it wouldn't surprise me in the least. Look at you. What are your balls good for? Sperm? Look, now you got 2 kids you already hate. How many more you want?
Oh,
you should be thanking me. My chemistry teacher said oil and water don't mix. That nigga ain't never blown up a motor. I'll tell you that right now.
Aldo, are we sending it to the moon or what?
Something's going to the moon. Try it again or what?
Go ahead. Yeah.
Try it again?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
If you drive, fuck it, back it up, let's go.
We'll tighten the shocks up one more time. Let's go.
You know how far of a push that is?
It's alright, we got plenty of these fools. We got plenty of these fools on payroll. Let's go.
Felt like it was gonna do something.
Tighten the shocks too quick.
So do you usually get guys at your window like this?
Not usually, it's been a while. He's not making the pump noise.
Yeah.
There's no fuel pressure.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, Captain
observant
Obvious.
you are. You sound like the guys in the comments. If you're seeing this video, we did something great, because if we fuck up, I'm not gonna show you. But we're gonna fix it. We got like 3 or 4 days till Sunday. Come back out and break the fucking record. I like daytime passes anyways, so I think it'll make for a better video. Stay tuned.
So Brian, can you tell us a little bit about what happened?
So we went to the track. We did a little wheelie. It was really cool, and yeah, minor damage. We probably still could have ran it, but better safe than sorry. We already had another track day scheduled anyways, which was a few days later. So we're just changing out the motor mounts and checking out the steering shaft, all that as a precaution. So we're doing that now. It had already kind of bent the motor mounts very little whenever I wheelied a couple times a while back. So we're doing that, adding some weight to the front of the car, try to keep it down as we add power. You know, we're kind of at that threshold with the car where it either looks real boring going down the track because there's nothing special going on, or it wants to wheelie. So we're at that fine threshold. So we're figuring it out and seeing what we need to do to make it go faster. You know, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. So it's easier to comment on YouTube than it is to actually go fast. So we're working on it. We'll get there. Need some more testing.
So we bent these the other night. We're gonna go ahead and swap them out. During Texas 2K, we had bent one. We patched it, fixed it, went to the track. Y'all have already seen all that, but today I gotta replace these real fast. Put the log manifold back on, or the turbo header back on. Put the car back together, take it over to alignment. That way we can get ready for Sunday. We're gonna go back out to Quick 30 and test there. Hopefully we can do something. Stay tuned. So motor mounts are back in now. Driver's side header's back on. I notched the motor mount on the driver's side. Now is the turbo back on. Run down pipe. Once the down pipe's in, I can put the steering shaft back in.
We're here at Motorworks, good friend's place, getting in alignment, making sure it's good before we go out there and try to do some stuff that don't require a wheelie. Check up on it. Hopefully everything's good. We'll see.
So after getting the alignment all finished up, it wasn't too bad after all.
No, it wasn't too bad at all, but in these situations, it's better safe than sorry, and I'd rather just make sure that it's good. I mean, we're going kind of fast. Safety matters, steering, alignment, all that shit matters. We'll be back out there Sunday. I think we got a couple other little things we can do, but like I said, we needed to get this done before they close on a Friday, so we got some time tomorrow to do a couple other little things that we need to mess with, and be back out there on Sunday.
Get your tickets, get your
Get in the
tickets.
car, let's go.
Richard.
It's cool, but parking's a fucking nightmare. Like, you think parking's bad during the event? Fuck that. What's up, guys? I told you we would be back if you were watching the same video a couple minutes earlier. We got everything fixed, got everything taken care of, so hopefully we don't run into too much trouble and try to get a new personal best today. Maybe the record, we'll see.
How you feeling about today?
Feel good. Some early morning huddles, but I think we'll be all right. So get the first hit under our belt and see what it does, what it do. Do you think a gazelle stretches before a cheetah attacks it? No. It just goes.
Always ready.
It's always ready. We're born ready. Ain't no gazelle just like, all right, today might be the day. Today's the day.
Today might be the day.
The right way, 140 miles an hour, and
Let's just stay ready. pressure?
Wearing a helmet?
Yeah.
You got this while I go look?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's gonna start getting tight on your arm now.
Sure.
Okay. If anything changes, we're here. Call us. We'll
right.
get you taken care of. Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Get minor damage on the car.
100-degree weather.
Push it. Pull it back. Like, yeah, close it.
It's good. They just touched.
You want to drive it or?
Yeah, I'll drive it.
Miles an hour. Put your hands together.
Aldo, how you feeling?
Hey man, I didn't think it was going that fast. Holy shit. I didn't think it was gonna go that fast.
I told you. I told you. Make for a better story. Make for a better story. It felt fast, but it didn't feel nasty fast. I was like, oh, probably went a 7 something. And then they're like,
I turned it way down.
I
You
know.
grabbed the scramble.
Oh, you know I did, motherfucker. Why you? Hey, talking about.
The lift gate's not gonna let out. And I'm like, yeah.
Talking about, oh, do an 8th mile hit.
Yeah, nah. Who? Like doing 8. Nigga, who? I know damn well fucking nuck if you buggers playing the fucking in your
Bro,
head.
ain't gonna do no fucking 8th mile hit.
I didn't think it went that fast, bro. I'm excited. I'm happy. A few things to fix on it. I'm happy that Brian's safe because that was my main concern, especially the first one. I literally I was kind of in shock after I saw it go up and it was going straight to the wall, man, you know? Last thing you want to see is me behind the keyboards on this fucking thing and Brian going over the wall because it's too much power, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, nonetheless, man, I'm definitely happy. We've been chasing this for a long time. We did it with way less power than we were trying to hit it with. Brian deserves it, dude, for real, for real. Brian deserves it.
So if you want to go fast, get you a Aldo Welds TT kit.
Yeah, there you go, man. Yeah.
Built by Aces Performance.
Yeah, buddy.
How does it feel?
Feels good. It's crazy because nobody's gonna believe it, but we literally turned the car way fucking down. Way down. If you look at the slip comparison, it's just all air. Like, air is that much better than whenever we were trying to do this in May and August.
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
So
bear with us a few
if we turn it
minutes
up,
while
I know we can go
track
faster, but
temperature
I wanted to get
system.
everything out of my system and get back to it. On that last pass, we went a 7.5 at 185. The boost controller defaulted to setting 1, which is like our lowest setting, so that's what we run on our lowest power. But came out here, did what we needed to do. We have some fixes that we got to take care of, minor cosmetics. So we're trying to get that lined up, and hopefully we're ready for Maryland. And just kind of see what the car runs. So stay tuned.
You boys like Mexico?